This is a step-by-step case study detailing exactly how I built a list of over 1,000 verified influencer emails, scaling up the process for effective influencer outreach. Most outreach campaigns fail because they target the wrong people, use fake emails, or lack clear criteria. The result is 0 replies, a damaged sender reputation, and wasted resources. The client brief was clear. Find verified emails for fitness creators on YouTube with 5,000 to 500,000 subscribers across the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. Only verified business emails were accepted. Step 1 was to find the influencers. Using Social Blade and manual YouTube searches, we cataloged over 1,400 channel profiles meeting the criteria. Starting big allows room to filter and still hit the target of 1,000 verified emails. Next, we found their emails using 4 distinct methods. The YouTube About tab provided 600 emails, Hunter.io domain search added over 200, Snav.io LinkedIn Finder yielded 150 plus, and a Google search trick filled the gaps. This resulted in 1,050 raw emails collected. The toolkit used was mostly free or low cost. We used Social Blade for filtering, Hunter.io and Snav.io for email discovery, Neverbounce for bulk verification, and Google Sheets as the central hub for the final list structure. Step 3. Verify before sending. This is non-negotiable for deliverability. We used Neverbounce on all 1,050 raw emails, resulting in a 94% valid rate. The final clean list contained 987 verified deliverable influencer emails ready to send. The final deliverable was a clean, filterable Google Sheet. Every row included the channel name, niche, subscribers, verified email, website, country, and status, providing the client with all necessary information to personalize their outreach. The client launched their campaign with the verified list, sending 987 emails with 0 bounces. They received 143 replies, a 14.5% reply rate. This led to 31 closed deals and a 10x ROI on the outreach investment. If you need custom verified influencer email lists built to your specifications, ready for immediate outreach, please get in touch directly. Like and subscribe for more lead generation content and outreach strategies.